Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys the razor I use. It's this Schick Hydro Bikini Trimmer and Razor in one. So that is a plus already. It is so handy. What I love about this particular kit is that it comes with 3 extra razor heads, and these are really good razor heads. They're super moisturizing because they have a moisturizing strip at the top and bottom, and I haven't nicked myself once. So they leave my skin feeling super smooth. I also like that the bikini trimmer has 3 different settings. So it could be all the way in like that, or you can push it out 1 level and that's 1 setting, and then you can push it out again, that's another setting, or take it off if you want to get real precise. So I absolutely love this bikini trimmer and this razor. It's just such a good tool to have, and it just works so nicely. So I highly recommend it. If you're looking for a good razor, a really good one, I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.